What features should be mentioned about Poolin EOM 15 needles embroidery machine? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 15 needle high efficiency multicolor embroidery. Compared to single needle machines, the EOM completes designs up to 5x faster, handling 15 colors simultaneously and drastically reducing thread changes. Compared to 10 needle or 12 needle machines, it manages 25 to 50% more colors at once, boosting productivity and minimizing downtime for hats, shirts, bags, and uniforms. 14.2 x 9.5 inch large embroidery area. Use your own hoop. Poolin EOM supports custom and third-party hoops, allowing you to embroider oversized designs up to 9.5 x 14 inch. Perfect for jackets, hoodies, tote bags, and back patches. It also comes with 5 embroidery hoops, 14 x 7.9 inch, 12 x 7.9 inch, 7 x 5 inch, 4 x 4 inch, 2.4 x 1.6 inch, 1 cap station and 2 cap hoops to meet different embroidery needs. 9-inch touchscreen interface, simple 3-step embroidery setup. Features a user-friendly 9-inch touchscreen for easy pattern selection and machine control. Complete your embroidery setup in just 3 steps. Select the design, set the hoop, and start stitching. Perfect for beginners and professionals who want faster, more intuitive operation. Institch OS 4 computer system, user-friendly system designed for effortless operation, perfect for beginners. Features smart automatic color change and thread break detection, which saves time, reduces errors, and ensures smooth, high-efficiency production of multicolor designs ideal for commercial embroidery work. Supports DST/DSB formats via USB and Wi-Fi. Easily import and manage embroidery designs using DST and DSB formats. The Poolin EOM supports both USB and Wi-Fi transfer, making it simple to load, edit, and start stitching. Perfect for professional users who value fast setup and workflow flexibility. 24+ hours continuous operation. Industrial grade middle frame and stable power adapter ensure durability, precision, and reliable performance day and night. Safe and reliable. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.